skate park. I am going to there. I'm gonna have lots of fun. And after that, it's not gonna be a contest. It's just for you to have fun. And my friends are gonna be there. Okay. Wish me very, very luck. For fun.
Cory, you got a video?
Today I'm making.
I like your video.
I'm sure.
Fist bump.
You don't know what's a kickstart? Everyone.
Why are you standing with the coaches? Why are you not standing with the... He's the crew, lah. White shirt. 3, 2, 1, stop. Harder. Stop. Leave on. Harder.
Go! One, go! Okay, go James, bend your knees, in forward, go!
Chase Cory, chase Cory.
You got this.
Good job, James! Keep going, James!
So remember your front side.
Okay, Cory, remember to take that after this.